Hello guys, today I am going to share junglebox.in reviews. In this video you will get to know about the legitimacy of this website. So this is the home page of the website, and over this website you can see that the products available are sarees for women, shoes, perfumes, handbags, jewelry, pillow and so forth. That too on very low prices. And talking about information related to payments, so guys, you can pay through PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, RuPay, NetBank and can even choose the COD option. Now let's check the shipping information and shipping charges. So here on the shipping policy section we can see that overview of the website is open, so we could not find shipping policy and shipping charges anywhere over the official website. And talking about its return refund policies, so friends, we can see that here on the official website they have mentioned their refund policy. Here we can see that their return policy lasts for 30 days and refund will be initiated in the original mode of payment. Now let's talk about those important points which will help us in checking the authenticity of the website. So guys, junglebox.in is protected through HTTPS protocol and have SSL certification. Therefore, the information you send or get through the site is safe, which is a good sign. And talking about its registration date of domain, so it was registered on 28th November 2020. Thus, the website does not have much traffic as it is new and is not much popular among the people. And guys, talking about the contact information, so here on the official page we could find only an email ID, which is mannequins@gmail.com. and apart from this, friends, Junglebox lacks presence on social media platforms because the links available here lend us on some different other pages. And talking about the Junglebox reviews, guys, so we could not find even a single customer review, and one of the possible reason for this could be that the website is too new, so it is not much popular among the people. Addition to this, friends, the content of the website is copied, as in our endeavor to find the originality of the content, we found that 89% of the content over the website matches with the content of other websites, and images of the products too are not original as they also matches with the images of other websites. So friends, all these negative points led us to believe that junglebox.in is a highly suspicious website. However, friends, if you have ordered anything from this website, do share your shopping experience with us in the comment section below. And do not forget to like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates. Bye bye guys.